Today I'm going to cover a new success principle, which is from Think and Grow Rich book by Napoleon Hill. Now, this principle is accurate thinking. Now, see, thinking is everything. Now, I'm not talking about mental activity, which our mind is always busy. The time you are wake up, since then, and you go to bed, your mind is keep on busy with some mental activities. Now, those mental activities not real thinking. And if we are busy with that, we get those kind of results, confusion, nothing else. So now I'm talking about accurate thinking. So what is accurate thinking? Now, accurate thinking, there are two fundamentals. One is your thinking based on just information which you get from outside? Now that is maybe from media, maybe from TV, social media, newspaper, other people, and just processed. And that information, then you are not processing. It is just some come from somewhere outside. So it works like this. I always come back here on this drawing. This stick person, this is you. So say this is your conscious mind, this subconscious mind, and this is your body. Now what happens when you get information from outside? Without any thoughts, you process it. Now say information you get from what you can see and hear. These are the two ways information can come inside. Other three senses are smell, taste, and touch, which are not really very important to collect the information. But what you see and hear, these are the two ways. Now imagine that some information which is not useful for you, but it comes from outside. And then it goes to your conscious mind. And you this make as your dominating thoughts. You don't even think that whether it is useful for me or no. It is just information has come and you have started emotionalizing it. Now what is happening right now, it may be a reality. Whatever is happening, I'm sure it is affecting many people, and it may be good, it may not be good. But then see what is happening right now. There are challenges, there is a panic, there is something which has not happened in last 100 years. But world has seen this kind of events. Now this pandemic, it's not the first time. If you go back in history, it happens 100 years back. But then world has emerged in a much bigger way. So when you think that way, you will see each challenges has equal or even bigger opportunities. So challenges are like see this coin. Now this coin is having two sides. So we only see where the challenges are there. We have to see opportunities. It is like when you use your accurate thinking, you will start evaluating by doing this. Unless you don't do that, you will be keep on allowing your information, whatever you received, and that will straight away go into your subconscious mind. See what happens, whatever information comes, if you don't analyze it, whether it is useful for you or no, it is truth or no. Like say important is it truth? Now many information is coming nowadays which is not truth. Now people says, okay, whole world will go down. Now is this helping you, or is it you know that it is truth? World can come back and emerge anyway if you hope for that, and everybody has faith, it will happen. But if you allow everything to go in this part, and this part is the control center, subconscious mind. So think carefully. Are you accurately thinking? Is the information which you are allowing is a truth, or it is just information based? From anywhere that information has come and it has started affecting your mind. Now it's a choice again. What choice we make, we become. Then once you say that, okay, there is one way, is two fundamentals. One is outside information. Second one is whether it is important or unimportant. Now many times we are busy with thinking unimportant thing. Now unimportant small things, because the way our mind is programmed, if something is important, it is always little difficult. It needs more focus, more energy. But our mind avoids that. We say that, no, I will do this tomorrow. Let me finish something, small things, which is not important. And like paying bills, or maybe going to bank, or going to post office, those kind of things, or answering email. and we keep ourselves busy. Now that's where the difference between important and unimportant thoughts comes. So when you are thinking, pay attention that are you thinking important thing or unimportant thing. When you do that part and then allow those thoughts in your subconscious mind, your results will be totally different. Because once you release your thoughts from here, then this part has to execute it, because this is the command center. Now if I ask you that, think that you are doing absolutely well, how you will feel that time? Immediately you will start feeling good. But at the same time, if I ask you that, think that okay, this situation is going to remain for maybe 1 or 2 years, which media says, how you will feel that time? You will feel fear. Nothing has happened. Both are like, you don't know what is the truth, but your mind process your thoughts in a different way. So accurate thinking is thinking with understanding, thinking that okay, is this helping me? Is this something I want? And then when you do that, your results will change. And see, that's why what accurate thinkers they do, they keep their you can say senses open for information, but they decide what to think. And then unimportant things, thoughts, they will reject it. They will make their own decision. They will listen others' opinion. So there is nothing wrong. Like, see, maybe other people know better than you know. So there is nothing wrong. But then accurate thinking will allow you to make right decision. And then decisions, when you make, right actions will be taken, and then you will get right results. So this looks simple, but it is very complicated, because we are not trained on this. Like, say, unfortunately, our education system, if I come back again, they don't teach us how to think. They teach us how to read. They teach us how to hear, not listen, hearing. Now there is a big difference between listening and hearing. You hear with your ears and you listen with your emotions. So when you listen, you will understand. So all those things are connected with each other. And then collecting real knowledge is listening, not just hearing. Only hearing will cause all these doubts, worry, fear, anxiety, depression. So pay conscious attention what you are thinking. What you are thinking is helping you. If it is not helping you, it is your choice. Think about what you want instead of thinking about what you don't want. Now, every day if you keep repeating this and keep connecting with me here and keep investing time in you, you will get, see what I am talking with all this information and understanding. It is with my 4 years of efforts. It is not, nothing has happened overnight. I've invested time, I've invested a lot of money, but I've invested in me and my mind. And that's what, like, that made me financially free. Now, if you want to become financially free, because I believe that you are in this group, so your purpose is to become financially free. So you have to think differently, and then you have to act differently. Unless you don't do this, start with thinking, accurately thinking. Think what is helping you, not thinking what is not helping you. Hope this information is useful for you. That's all for today. Tomorrow again I will come back with a new principle. And see, this is something which we need. We have to think. Mental activity is not enough. Thinking is the most important task. So that's why this book which I am sharing from, Think and Grow Rich. You can become rich by thinking, and thinking is very important task, and you have to learn how to accurately think. And if you keep thinking conventional way, results will not change. Thanks for being here again, and we'll connect tomorrow. Thank you.